NAVA acknowledges the Gadigal and Wangal peoples of the Eora Nation as the traditional custodians of the land on which this was filmed, and pay respects to elders past, present, and future.
My name is Jayanto Tan. I'm a migrant visual artist, came from small town in far North Sumatra. My practice mainly in ceramic food that combined with fun object and performance. Through my artistic practice, I can express my feeling, also my family history.
Has there been a turning point in your career or an experience that has shaped your practice?
As we know, being an artist is very hard, but for me, after I finished my master's degree in 2019, I feel lighter and I feel like I can say more about my art, and then I can hopefully establish my practice from the emerging to professional artists, and then I get more respect from people to look at my work.
What is the most pressing issue for you as an artist right now?
The big issue for me, talking about radical or racism against the Asian Australian, not just the Chinese Australian. So I identify myself as Asian Australian rather than Chinese Australian. I came from a mixed race culture. My father was Chinese from China, and my mother was Indonesian Sumatrans. People misidentified myself. They look at me more like into my father heritage. But I try to explore how I'm feeling, and also I want to tell my story, and also try to encourage the other people to open up themselves.
What is something you wish you knew when you were an emerging artist?
Working hard and don't give up and follow. I think it's a bit cliche, but I have to say this. Just follow your heart. Follow what you think is right for you, and then you think is make you feel comfortable. And from there on, I think something might come up. And then just work hard and believe in yourself and be true to yourself.
What brings you joy in your practice? Why do you make art?
In the process you're making that, and you come up with all the idea and memory and all the sentimental and the nostalgia, you brought it into the concept. So during the process, for me, it's more joyful. And then, of course, the result as well, the exhibiting as well, quite joyful, because you try to connect with your community and you try to talk to your community. So you're face-to-face with your audiences. Art, for me, is also kind of like a silent protest. It's a meaningful protest without hurting people, or without demonstration, or without burning people's houses, or without violence. So for me, kind of like another level of joyness to create this art, to give people a little bit, education, to make people understand with the current situation, and when people embrace it, and then so we can have this kind of like the future of the multiculturalism or diversity, and people embrace the differences.